do. I do, which is why they need a lot of guidance. And luckily, the one good thing about that is that they can get access to a conversation like this and get really some deep knowledge. Whereas back when we were young, we might be lucky maybe to have a grandfather or bump into someone or hear something. But otherwise, it would be hard to get things like this.
Well, let me ask you a question before we wrap.
Yeah.
Would you rather be growing up when you grow up, or would you rather be growing up today?
You mean as if I was starting today?
If you, right. Would you rather be 20 when you were 20, or would you rather be 20 today in the year 2023?
I'd like to think that any challenge would be amazing. I don't know. I don't really think that way, because that happened. And so I'm kind of dealing with that scenario. So I don't know. I guess I'd like to think I could embrace each one. But yeah, I definitely see these challenges. Like I always used to joke, I'm probably the same with you. When I was 16, the thing I wanted so badly was a car, because a car gave me the independence.
Freedom.
When my stepdaughter turned 16, the last thing she wanted was a damn car. All she wanted was an internet connection, and so all these, so much has changed, so much has changed. And again, how did we ever survive without a mobile phone and meet people? But we did.
I know.
And so I don't know, maybe we would just be resilient and find new ways.
I'll tell you one thing that's an interesting, I saw this on the Today Show last week. Do you know that there is a resurgence in flip phones? Flip phones. Now they did a whole piece. I was on the bike working out. I said, flip phones. These are the old Motorola kind of flip phones. I said,
StarTAC, I had one.
I said, why would there be a resurgence on this? And the resurgence is coming from college kids and late high schoolers. You want to know why? You're not going to believe this. Because they want to go out and they don't want to feel the pressure on a phone like the iPhone, where they're taking pictures, texting, doing looking online. It's a distraction from being in the moment. And the flip phone has just enough tech for them to make a call, send a text, maybe shoot a picture, and that's it. Not enough for them to be disconnected from where they are in that moment. Really interesting.
Interesting. Maybe there's hope for us.
Maybe.
David, you are London real through and through. I knew I liked you, but I didn't realize you were one of us.
I appreciate that.
So I really appreciate the time today. I couldn't be more excited that we're part of this journey. We're super pumped for Orange Comet. And I just want to thank you for allowing us to be a part of this.
I want to thank you for, first of all, believing in me and in Orange Comet, and having everybody who's with you involved with us. It's spectacular, and I'm a big fan of and very appreciative of what you're doing for us and just doing in general.
We're going to do so many amazing things together.
I love it.
For people that want to learn more, get in on the next drops, etc. Obviously, we're going to be emailing things out, but what else can they do? Is the website good?
They can go to orangecomet.com for sure. They can, by the way, you can reach me on even Twitter. I'm at Broome88, Broome 88. I love conversing with people on social, and I try to get to everybody I possibly can, so that's one way. But they should just go to orangecomet.com and they'll see what we're doing and see projects where we almost have weekly press releases coming out, so we're going to be in the news even more, and I do lots of interviews. So just follow us and learn about what we're doing. And look, we also want to help other people get into this space. So if I can be a conduit for somebody, a creator, don't have to have a Hollywood background to get into Web3, but I'd love to help as many people as I possibly can.
So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public, and he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast, it's going to be bloody, it's going to be nasty. But at the same time, he's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go to londonreal.tv/Jim. Watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true, and you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. Hey, it's Brian Rose, founder of the DeFi Academy. I've told you my 4-week crypto bootcamp is amazing, but don't take my word for it. This is what my students are saying.
The DeFi Academy was an amazing experience for me. It took me totally out of my comfort zone.
In this course, I was challenged, I was held accountable, and pushed to do things that honestly weren't always easy.
It's been phenomenal, and I can't believe we're already up on our 4 weeks. It has flown by.
Going through this DeFi accelerator by far was one of the best courses I've taken.
You do this course, you really get into the nitty-gritty of the activities that will make you comfortable with decentralized finance.
Thank you so much to Brian and everyone at London Real and the DeFi Academy for even putting together an amazing course like this.
Anybody else that wants to do it, please sign up. It is well worth the money.